The Silent Flute. In a quiet village surrounded by mountains, there was a boy named Aaron who always carried a wooden flute. But unlike other flutes, his never made a sound, no matter how hard he blew. The villagers mocked him. "Why carry an empty flute?" they said. "It's useless, just like you." But Aaron believed there was something hidden within it. Every evening he climbed the tallest hill, sat under the stars, and blew into the flute. Silence always answered him. One night, an old traveler approached. He listened to Aaron's quiet struggle and smiled. "Do you know why your flute is silent?" the traveler asked. Aaron shook his head. The traveler touched the flute and whispered, "It was carved from the sacred tree that only sings when the heart is true. You are not meant to play notes for the ear. You are meant to play for the soul." Confused but hopeful, Aaron tried again. This time, though no sound came, the villagers in the valley below suddenly stopped what they were doing. Their anger, jealousy, and worries faded. Peace washed over them like a cool wind. The flute had never been empty. It resonated not through sound, but through spirit. From that day, whenever darkness filled the village, Aaron raised his silent flute and hearts grew calm. He became known not as the boy with a useless flute, but as the keeper of peace. Moral: not every gift makes noise. Some of the strongest powers are silent but deeply felt, like kindness, patience, or hope.